How to access and use Figma's free asset library to supercharge your design project. So let's dive right in. First, open Figma and either create a new design file or open an existing one. On the left sidebar, click on Amend menu, like over here, and a drop-down menu will appear. And okay, let me say like one thing. It's kind of tricky because as you can see, there is not an option that says asset or anything like that. But as I said before, it's kind of tricky. Well, you have to go to the plugins first and a drop-down menu will appear, and you have to go to the very last option that says manage plugins. Click into that and it will lead you to plugins. So inside this you can see an asset option. So all you have to do is tap into the asset option, and now you can find this library. You can either like search for any asset you want, like a icon or something like that, or you can simply choose from here. So let's say I'm gonna choose a bell, right? Simply tap in here and you can tap in insert, and once you've added an asset, it will like show up in here. And remember that you can customize it, like don't forget you can customize it, change colors and even resize it. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to do that. Okay, let's change the color. I want to make it more like red. All right, just like this. So yeah, if you want more asset, just explore the plugins and go to the plugin section and tap in like asset, and you can add any icons and images of your choice. And now you're ready to level up your designs with Figma's free asset library. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more design tips. Happy designing!